Welcome back once again, friends. In today's video, we have compiled important questions and answers of Chapter 5, Periodic Classification of Elements, and also don't miss the important questions of the previous chapters. I have given the links of all the chapters in the description, and also you can go to the playlist where there will be all chapter videos. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. So let's begin with question number 1. What were the limitations of Dauber-Einer's classification? Answer to this question is, it failed to arrange all the then known elements in the form of triads of elements having similar chemical properties. Dauber-Einer could identify only 3 triads from the elements known at that time. Question number 2. Besides gallium, which other elements have since been discovered that were left by Mendeleev in his periodic table? Scandium and germanium were left by Mendeleev in his periodic table. Question number 3. What were the criteria used by Mendeleev in creating his periodic table? Answer to this question is, Mendeleev used the relationship between the atomic masses of the elements and their physical and chemical properties. He used similarity in physical properties, similarity in the formation of hydrides and oxides of element. Question number 4. Why do you think the noble gases are placed in a separate group? Answer to this question is, noble gases are chemically inert and are present in the atmosphere in extremely low concentrations. Therefore, owing to their similar inert behavior and similar electronic configuration, they are justified to be placed in a separate group. Question number 5. Lithium, sodium, potassium are all metals that react with water to liberate hydrogen gas. Is there any similarity in the atoms of these elements? Answer to this question is, lithium, sodium and potassium all belong to the same group. The atoms of lithium, sodium and potassium all have only one electron in their outermost shell, and all of these are metals. All of these react with water to form alkalis. Question number 6. Helium is an unreactive gas and neon is a gas of extremely low reactivity. What, if anything, do their atoms have in common? Answer to this question is, the atoms of helium and neon have their outermost shells completely filled. Helium has its first shell completely filled, while neon has its first and second shells K and L completely filled. Question number 7. What are metalloids? Answer to this question is, elements which are intermediate in properties between metals and nonmetals are called metalloids. Example, boron, silicon. Question number 8. According to which periodic table every 8th element repeat its property? Answer to this question is, according to Newland's octave, every 8th element repeat its property. Question number 9. Write the formula of chlorides of ecasilicon and ecaaluminium, the elements predicted by Mendeleev. Answer to this question is, the formulae of chlorides of ecasilicon and ecaaluminium are Xc4 and Xci3 respectively. Question number 10. Name an element with atomic number 12. Answer to this question is, magnesium has 12 atomic number. Before we proceed to the next question, please take a moment to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. This way they can also review these important questions. Here is question number 11. Name the metal used in making cans and are a member of group 14. Answer to this question is, tin is used in making cans and is a member of group 14. Question number 12. Name a lustrous non-metal with 7 electrons in its outermost shell. Answer to this question is, iodine is a lustrous nonmetal with 7 electrons in its outermost shell. Question number 13. Name the radioactive element which is the last member of the halogen family. Answer to this question is astatine is a radioactive element which is the last member of the halogen family. Question number 14. Name the first metalloid in the modern periodic table whose fibers are used to make bulletproof vests. Answer to this question is boron is the first metalloid in the modern periodic table whose fibers are used to make bulletproof vests. Question number 15. Name the element which is an inert gas with atomic number 2. Answer to this question is helium is an inert gas with atomic number 2. Question number 16. State the modern periodic law of classification of elements. Answer to this question is modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. Question number 17. What changes occur along a period of the periodic table from left to right in relation to its metallic character? Answer to this question is as we move along the periodic table from left to right, it is observed that the atomic size decreases. This means the tendency to lose electrons also decreases and thus metallic character also decreases. Question number 18. How would the tendency to gain electrons change as you go down in a group? Answer to this question is it is expected to decrease since atomic size increases down the group and tendency of the element to gain electron decreases. Question number 19. On the basis of electronic configuration, how will you identify the first and the last element of a period? Answer to this question is first element has 1 valence electron and the last element has 8 valence electrons. Number of shells remain the same in the same period. And here is the last question. Name 2 elements which will be chemically similar to aluminium. What is the basis of your choice? Answer to this question is in periodic table, elements of the same group have the same chemical properties. So aluminium will have the same chemical properties as gallium and indium. All these elements belong to the same group, so they have similar chemical properties. I am sure that you all found these questions beneficial for your preparation. The important questions from chapter 6 will be presented next. Kindly subscribe to my channel to receive notifications promptly. Looking forward to reconnecting with you soon. Goodbye.